This video will show you how to prepare a summer fruits filter, a light aromatic brew prepared with the Smeg DCFO2 filter coffee machine. For a half litre quantity, use 10 to 12 fresh berries and 30 grams of Lavazza Oro coffee. Place the filter basket into the coffee machine and add the berries. During the brewing process, the subtle sweetness will infuse naturally. Then grind 30 grams of the coffee into a medium consistency and place them over the berries in the filter basket. Fill the reservoir with half a litre of fresh water, select your preferred brewing strength and then begin the cycle. The DCFO2's gentle extraction brings together the richness of Oro coffee and the bright notes of summer fruit. Once the brewing is complete, pour the coffee into a mug. And, for a refreshing summer twist, serve over ice to highlight those fruity undertones. The Summer Fruits filter with the Smeg DCFO2 delivers a vibrant, refreshing twist on a classic filter coffee. Perfect for warm days and bright mornings. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.